In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to publish your avatar to Catalog Avatar Creator. Let's start this by opening the Catalog Avatar Creator game on your Roblox. Now once you're in the game experience, then you can create your own avatar. But for now, let's just publish this one. Click on the Community Outfits button on the left side. Next, click on the most popular or any option you want in here. Now, you simply need to click on the Publish button below. But if you'll get a notification that you need to complete the necessary playtime inside the game, then wait for the countdown. Let's say the playtime is completed, then you can click the Publish button again. Next, enter the name of your avatar. Let's just enter this sample name. After that, click on the Yes button and it will start to publish your outfit. You'll see here that it is the exact avatar you have that is published in the game experience. You can choose to save to Roblox if you want, and that's basically how you do it.